It's been 84 years.
Hello everybody. So today I decided to show you guys how I made over my laundry room. I've lived here for 3 years and I just got a washer and dryer last month. So I finally decided to give the whole room a glam makeover, and this is the before, how it looked like when I moved in. The walk-in closet slash where the washer and dryer is gonna go. Stackable, of course. All right, this is what it looks like now, because before it was empty, and then I got the washer and dryer. Yeah, the people who installed my washer and dryer put that black tape on there. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that yet. I've got this rug, and these baskets are all from Ross. So that's what it looks like now. Yeah, here we go. All right, first stop, IKEA. Only stop, really. Oh my goodness. Ah, IKEA. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay, here it is. Just gotta assemble it. Pax wardrobe system from IKEA. And then the shelves are right over there. Oh, now to assemble it. Oh my goodness. Oh, everything. Oof, a lot. Oh my goodness. Okay, there it is. Almost done. Now all I gotta do is nail the backing onto that. Oh, there it is, all done. Now I just gotta move it to the closet, the laundry closet. All right, there it is, installed. Yeah, I had some help with it, but it looks good, fits. Now I just gotta add shelving, and that's them right there. I'm gonna add them to here. And we have shelving, yeah. I only did 3, and then I got my laundry basket here. I don't know, I might add one more shelf in the future, but for now, 3 seems to be good. Now I'm just gonna move some of these things, some of these baskets up here and there, and then decorate. Okay, let's put this stuff together. Got my towels, got my laundry stuff up there. Got that. Let's see. Iron. This here, and these laundry balls there. Oh, and I got my laundry hamper and my mop. All right, here it is. The final result. Oh my goodness. And of course, I have to show you my chandelier. Yes, yes, yes. And that, the floor is all cleaned. So yeah, I need to figure out something to do with the black tape. I don't know yet, but I am loving how this turned out. I mean, I'll probably change some things around, especially with the shelf. Like I said, I want to add more shelving. I'm gonna play around with it, but I love the way this looks so far. Yep. All right, so I will tell you where I got everything. So the baskets are all from Ross. I really wanted to get 4 gray ones, but they were out, so I thought the pink would be good. I got them years ago, and I really wanted them to all have that sparkly thing, but they only had 2 left. And the chandeliers from Amazon. The rug, I forgot where I got this. I think this is from Homegoods. Also had it for years from IKEA. You know, the shelving's also from IKEA. Had my towels for years. Dryer balls are from Amazon. This is from Dollar Tree. And this is my Shark steam mop in there. And then the laundry basket was a gift. And I don't know, yeah, like I said, it was a gift, so I don't know where it's from. And my Whirlpool washer and dryer. I think that's it. This is just, I keep bedding in here. Stuff I don't really use a lot, exercise equipment, bedding, towels, and like I said, I'll play around with the way it's set up for now, but that's how I have it right now. Thank you for watching. Bye.